Si Camille nga, di ba nakuhanan ko na nag-gawang ginagawa?
Gagi sayang nga yun. Nagulat ka lang kasi.
Isa ka na doon bago hindi ka na makakapag ng tao.
Ano na una yung gulat niya eh.
Oh shit, mali ako yung lugar. Pagkita na lugar mo. Nato ka na?
Ganda yung type ko ng ano. Fly high pass.
Kasi ano, boss?
Nakita yung lineup nyo. Haba.
Yan talaga kami mahaba.
Ikaw namili eh, di ba?
Ilang kayo? Ilang kayo? Ilang kayo?
Sino sila sa lineup? 10 lang sila. Tapos 13 ka.
Isa lang.
Kaya nga, dalawa lang.
Isa lang. Isa lang.
Kasi injured si Vice eh.
13. Kulang. Our second game is live. GV Elite versus The Valley. Ngayon natin makikita na merong special lineup ang GV Elite. Okay. Interview natin ang guest player ng GV Elite, si Rob Guevara. Pare, anong gagawin mo this game?
Wala, titira lang ako, titira.
Nakita mo na yung mga kalaban nyo. Sinong babantayan mo dyan?
Sige, Yosa.
Okay. So, anong game plan mo sa kanya?
Kayaan natin uminom.
Very good. Maganda. Maganda daw ang plano. Okay. Doon tayo sa kabilang team. Oo. Binigyan ko kayo ng attendance sheet, ha? Hindi gagamitin. Tapos magtatanong sa akin sa GC. Okay na, parang ang sarap yung pagte-technicalin lahat, eh.
Boss, ano ulam?
Pare, ito ang gusto ko lang malaman kung anong game plan nyo this game.
Ganun pa rin, kagaya last game. Kung paano kami nanalo, ulitin lang namin yun.
Ulitin nyo lang. Meron silang bagong player sa katauhan ni Rob Guevara. Anong gagawin mo sa kanya?
Welcome back, pare. And
Kasi injured siya, eh.
Oh, sino?
So, isa lang. 14. Ilan ba yung kabila? 13. Isa pa.
Oh, naging rab na eh.
So dalawa dapat. Dalawa pala. Kasi wala si Opoy.
Oo.
Sama pala. Sorry.
Sirap ko
Kasi hindi.
Tayo na, 1 free throw. Tatambakan kayo niyan. Yari kayo. Okay! Kulang kayo. Nakuha ng GV Elite ang first possession. Dami tangan ng bola binigay kay Kel. Kel naghanap ng papasahan. Mas maganda ang ball movement ngayon ng GV Elite. Kel for 3. No good. Rebound by Vesper. Agawan ng bola. Nakuha ni Tangonan. Beyosa, dumrive. Pinasa kay Polenday. Dumikdik. Pinasa sa labas, binigay kay Efren, right corner, 3, no good. Rebound ng GV Elite. Doc, may tangan ng bola. Doc, binigay kay Foots. Foots 3v1, turnover. Parker, naghanap ng papasahan, binigay sa ilalim kay Efren. Efren dumukot, 2 points. 3-point lead agad for the Valley. Da. Pumoste. Layup, yes sir. Puts his team on the board for Darren Cuerpo. Parker, may tangan ng bola. Parker dumrive sa gitna. Shimmy layup. He got fouled. 2 free throws. First free throw. Yes sir. Second free throw. Yes sir. The Valley leads 5-2. Kel, may tangan ng bola. Binigay Foots on the right wing. Binalik kay Kel. Kel naghanap ng papasahan kay Da. Da, pumoste. Kick out pass to Foots. Foots drive. Doc with the rebound. No good. Rebound ni JJ. Hollanday. Dumadrive sa gitna. Goes to his right. Foul. 2 team fouls on GV Elite. GV Elite is still missing the services of Edsel Largo. Ang kanilang MVP. JJ Polanday misses his third free throw na yata for the game. Makes his second. The Valley leads 4 points. Kel nagdidirekta ng bola. Da wants the post up against Vesper. Da got blitzed. Doc got fouled. Doc got fouled. 2 free throws for Doc. Tarantado ka talaga, Doc. Da with the rebound. Da chucks up the three. Kumalog. Rebound again by GV Elite. Nice box out. Three-point lead for the Valley. Rebound ni Gayosa. Gayosa tumatakbo. Gustong dikdikin. Layup. No good. But rebound ni JJ. JJ put back. Yes sir. Brings the lead to 5. 8-3. Kel. Lands for 3. Kumalog. Rebound ni JJ. Binigay kay Arthur. Arthur binigay kay Parker. Parker binigay kay Efren. Malakas. Masyadong malakas. Malakas ng tama. Malakas ng tama. Kel chucks the 3. Misses everything. Parker. Binigay kay Arthur. Layup. Alley-oop. No good. Naistila ni 100 Avalon. What a pass! Unselfish play from Efren Gayosa. 7-point lead for the Valley. 10 seconds on the shot clock for GB Elite. Da. Dumikdik sa ilalim. Rebound by Borja. Borja up and under move. Rebound ni Da. Da. Set shot. 2 points. 5 minutes and 18 seconds left. Parker may tangan ng bola. Nice nila ni Da. 2v1, fast break. Binigay kay Foots. Yes sir. Cuts the lead down to 3, 10-7. Mandatory substitution for the first quarter. Nice mini run for GV Elite. Yan, pumasok. Pumasok na si Rab. Stephen D, may tangan ng bola, binigay kay De La Peña. Binigay kay Hamiro. Hamiro, cross-court pass. Nakuha ni Jotu. Jotu, Musigit. Rebound ni Caranto. JV. Naghanap ng papasahan. Binigay kay Rab. Binigay kay Caranto sa gitna. Caranto, fakes. Pulls up, yes sir. 10-9. Isa na lang po ang lamang ng The Valley. De La Peña, left wing 3. Caranto, rebound. JV. Dumrive sa gitna. Floater. Yes sir. Stephen. Binigay ko ulit kay De La Peña. Cross-court pass to the right corner. Binigay kay Justin. Justin misses it. Kennard with the rebound. Put back. No good. Another put back. No good. Rebound ni Leo. Leo, hindi nakatingin. $18 seconds left on the shot clock for GV Elite. JV. Rebound ni Kennard. Stolen by JV. Binigay kay Villa. Villa, pull up. No good. Masyadong nagmamadali ang GV Elite. I think that's their game plan. Rebound by Leo. Binigay kay Rab. Rab tumira ng 3. Bordering no good. Rebound ni Jotu. Jotu wants to push it. And 1 for Jotu. Balik sa kalamangan ang The Valley, 13-11. Miscommunication on the part of Leo. GV Elite calls the timeout. They've seen enough. The captain wants to talk things through.
Relax tayo, Benzo. Okay naman din ba yung nakakakas lang tayo?
Turnover for the Valley. Villa. Binigay kay Leo, binigay kay JV. Villa dumigdig sa ilalim. Villa gets his own rebound. Gets fouled. 2 free throws for Lee Villa. Nakuha ni Zoto. Zoto pulls up. Perimeter shot. Out of bounds. GV Elite ball. Ano tol? Ha? Three-point for Leo. Lamang na po ang GV Elite, 13-16. They had their mini round 5-0 run. The drought continues for the Valley. 1 minute 29 seconds left for the first quarter. Leo chucks the three, misses it. But they still take it. Binigay sa gitna to the Valley. Kennard, floater. Yes sir. 16-15. Lamang ang GV Elite. Rob drives, pulls up, misses it. Two foul. 3v1, misses. Natalisi up. They go to Simon. Go to 1v1, 2v1. Misses it. Misses again. Tuntua ang crowd dahil di nakakashoot. Lee Villa pull up. Yes sir. 18-15, 11 seconds left for the first. 7 seconds. 5 seconds. 3 seconds. Yes sir, and that's the end of our first quarter. GV Elite 18-15. Ano bossing?
Puta na, tinira na yung bula.
Jar, balik ka. Balik.
No!
Hatid ko lang.
Why don't you go in the room? Start of the second quarter. Bola ng the Valley. Fresh legs for the Valley. Gayosa, dumrive sa gitna. Floater. Rebound ni Doc. Binigay kay Darren. Point guard duties. Tapi ka ng bola. Nakuha pa rin ng GV Elite. Pulls up a three. Yes, sir! 21-15. 21-15. Traveling violation. Six-point lead being enjoyed by GV Elite. Darren on the post up again. Darren Saksa again the three, misses it. Rebound ni Gayosa. Gayosa wants to speed things through. Bigay ng bola. Ian on the drive. No good. Rebound niya. JJ. Efren dumidiskarte. Misses everything. Rebound ni B-Boy. B-Boy floater. Wala pa rin. Sino makakuha na rebound? GV Elite ball. Stolen by Ian Pangilinan. Easy 2 points for the Valley. Easy 2 points for the Valley. Darren again, point guard duties. Hindi siya umiilalim. Pasa kay Lance, binigay kay Futol. Kel on the fake. Drives, pull up. No good. Rebound ni JJ. The Valley on the fast break. Binigay kay Ian. Nadidepensahan ni Lance. Lance. Oop, loose ball foul. Loose ball foul called on Darren Cuerpo. Pwede. Timeout ng GV Elite. 17-21 in favor of GV Elite. Dito naman ako. Hindi ako makasandal dun. Siyempre, mainit eh. Start water. The point guard duties again. Directing the traffic for GV Elite. Kel on his spot. Misses the three. Gusto talaga ng Davaling pass break ang labanan. They see that GV Elite is timid on the defense and they got punished by it. Give and go play for the GV Elite. Almost 2 players lang po ang nakakahawak ng bola sa GV Elite. B-Boy may panga ng bola. Binalik kay Ian. Stolen by Foots. 1v1. Foots. Misses it. Binigay kay JJ. JJ fakes the shot. Pasa pala dapat. Kel, binigay kay Da. Binigay kay Foots. Bumalik kay Da yung bola. Da, naghahanap ng papasahan. Binigay kay Lance. Lance, chucks his 3. Kapos. Rebound ng The Valley. Binigay kay Ian sa ilalim. Same ball. Doc Ronnie tries to save it. Pero masyadong malaki ang kanyang sapatos. Rebound ni Da. 2v3. 4v3. Da, drive. No good. Outlet pass to B-Boy. Pero makukuha ng Da Valley pa rin. Nagawa ng bola. Pasahan sa ilalim. Intercepted by GB Elite pero cannot convert on the possession. So, mandatory substitution. Parker, diskarte. He got doubled. Binigay sa labas. Stolen by JV. JV Ferrer wants to slow things down. Binigay kay Rab. Pinasa kay Villa sa ilalim. What an assist for Rab Guevara. They did not settle for the outside shot. Parker drives middle. Pinasa sa ilalim. Abalon misses sa shot. Rebound ni Caranto. Binigay kay Rab. Para binalik kay JV. JV directing the traffic. Rab. Yes sir! Pyramid! What a shot by Rab Guevara. What a pass from Parker and what a drive for Joto Simon. Rab pulls up. No good. Deadly pass. Intercepted by GB Elite. 1v2. Rebound ni Da Valley. Binigay outlet kay Joto. Lamang ang Da Valley sa numbers. Pero mintis pa din ni Joto. That was already a gimme. Pero binawi niya again on the putback. 3 minutes left on the second quarter. Villa ganap na papasahan. Binigay kay Caranto. Parker crosses over his defender. Masyado madulas. Masyado malaki. Got doubled again. Binigay kay Arthur. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Pasa sa ilalim. Floater. Uy! Nakuha ng GB Elite pa rin. Binigay kay Villa. JV. Ganap na papasahan. Binigay kay Rab. Rab. 3. No good. Rebound ni Joto. Joto nagmamadali ulit. Nagmamadali. Pero natapikan ni Leo. What a defensive play for Leo to stop the fast break. Corner 3 for Justin. Misses everything. JV. Binigay kay Lee. Binigay kay Leo. Leo binalik kay JV. Villa sa gitna. Traveling violation. Shuffled his feet. Hindi naman daw travel, sabi niya. Mas marunong pa siya sa referee. Parker slowing things down. Screen from Vesper. Parker floater. No good. Pero rebound niya pa rin. Binigay sa left corner. 3 for Justin. Misses it. Rebound pa rin ng Da Valley. Up! No! They cannot convert on the offensive rebound. JV. Leo, left wing 3, overcooks it. 51 seconds left. Hello, baby namin. Hello. Hello, my little girl. Hello. Hello. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Where's the ball? Where's the ball? Bubble. Where's the bubble? Where's the bubble? Where's the bubble? Where is the bubble, my baby? Hello. Where's Dada? Where's Dada? Where's Daddy? Whoa! Whoa! You wanna turn around? You want to turn around? You wanna turn around? Good job! 30 seconds left on the second quarter. Uy! Rush 3. Makakalashot pa ang GV Elite. 24-28. Lamang ang GV Elite. They want to extend the lead bago matapos ang first half. Six seconds left. 4 seconds. 2 seconds. 1 second left. 24 second shot clock. 1 second. 1.42 seconds. Go to Baliwag Echas. No good. And that's the end of our first half. 24-28 in favor of GV Elite. Ano, Brad? Ingat, boy. Ba't di ka na naglaro? Ayip! Yun ang kwento. Hindi ko na pinasama. Anong oras na ako matatapos dito eh.
Sinong paano?
Anong oras na ako? Ayun pa. Maaga kami bukas eh. Hindi ako pwede. Saan daw ba?
Oo, sa amin.
Sa bahay na lang namin.
Pwede.
Ingat pare ko. Start of the third quarter. Binigay kay Rob. Rob fakes the three. No good. Binigay kay Gayosa. Gayosa left wing. Binabantay ni Rob. Binalik kay D. Screen by Kennard. Binigay kay De La Peña. Glenn for three. Yes, sir. Rob, corner 3, overcooks it. No good. Rebound ni JJ. Binigay kay Gosa. Uy! Niyakap na pero naitira pa din. Gayosa flexes on him. Yun ang kwento, yari. Na my day pa nga. Gayosa for the end one. Yun lang sablayin. Darren fakes it, got fouled. 2 free throws for him. Darren misses his first free throw. Misses a second. Eight minutes left on the third quarter. Gayosa, naghahanap ng papasahan. Drives baseline. Binigay kay D for 3. No good. Rebound pa rin ni Gayosa. Got fouled sa ilalim. 32-30. Lamang na ang The Valley. Masyadong maliit ang lineup ng GV Elite, guys. Gayosa misses his first. Misses his second again. Rebound ni Darren. Kel, ganit mapapasahan. Kel. Binalik kay Rob. Binigay kay Da. Da pull up, yes sir. 7 minutes and 20 seconds left. That shot ties the ball game. Gayosa. D for 3. Misses it. Rebound ni Doc Ronnie. Kiel for 3. Misses it. Rebound ng The Valley. Pag na-rebound ng The Valley, talaga tinutulak nila to a fast break. Gayosa, dumrive ng pilit. Misses it. JJ for the offensive rebound. Got fouled. 2 free throws for them. First free throw for JJ. short. Second, misses it again. Both teams cannot convert their free throws. Ganda ng pasahan ng GV Elite ngayon. No clear shot for Lance. Fumble the ball. Doc for 3. Yes, sir! Boom! Brought the house down. Doc Ronnie for 3. Libre na ang turok nyo. JJ gets his own rebound. Copy ka ng bola sa ilalim. Wala pa rin 3 seconds na tinatawag. Doc! Libre na turok. Putang ina, 3 in the head. Yes, sir. JJ misses again. Isa pa lang ang nasushoot niyang free throw. Makes it second. Rab. Dumidiskarte, binigay kay Da. Da, nagano lang papasahan. Dumrive. No good. Lamang ang The Valley sa fast break. Whoa! What a move by JJ. Kill. Binigay kay Doc. Doc drives. Oh, misses it. Rebound by JJ. Stolen by Darren. The 1v4. Layup no good. Kennard, floater. Mandatory substitution. 37-35. Lamang ang The Valley. Binigay kay JV ang bola. JV drives, floater. No good. Rebound ni Ian. Parker. Umuuno. Binigay kay Joto yung bola. Jota. Parker. Naghahanap ng papasahan. Binigay kay B-Boy. B-Boy binigay kay Joto. Joto binigay kay Ian. Ian binigay sa ilalim kay Joto. Joto misses it. Made the way. No good. Villa. Minababa ang bola. Leo. Binigay kay Villa. Perimeter shot. Is good. Parker pull up. Yes, sir. JV drives middle, binigay sa left corner. Leo for 3. Yes, sir. 3 in the head. Joto. B-Boy on the drive. Binigay sa labas. 8 seconds left. Parker naghahanap ng papasahan kay Joto. Goto misses the three. What a break ang nakuha ng GV Elite. Lee pumoposte. Naagawan ni B-Boy. Parker misses the layup pero nakuha niya ang kanyang rebound. Binigay kay Anareta. Binigay kay Jotu. Jotu perimeter shot. No good. Villa. Masikip. Masyado masikip. Dilabas. Binigay kay Leo. Binigay kay JV. JV drives in the middle. Give and go. No good. Jotu. Sumasalaksak. Pero nauna ang foul. Nauna ang foul. Walang continuation. Okay, 2 free throws for Jotu Simon. Makes his first. Makes his second. 41-40 in favor of the Valley. Leo for 3, misses it. The Valley pushes it, the tempo, cross-court pass, hindi na convert. Foots. Kay Leo. Foots dumidiskarte. Pinalik kay Leo. Pinalik kay Caranto. Uy. 7 seconds on the shot clock. Leo chucks the 3. Misses everything. 3 seconds left. Put back and 1. Naisalba yung possession ni JV Ferrer. JV converts the 3-point play. One minute left for the third quarter. Parker directing the play. Ian 3. Rebound ni Caranto. Binigay kay Lee. Lee outlet pass for JV. JV binigay kay Lee. Masyado na malalim. Pivots his move. Shoots it. Gets his own rebound. Misses it. 30 seconds left. The Valley pushing. Zoto gets fouled. 2 free throws again. Lamang ng dalawa ang GV Elite. GV Elite is missing the services of number 1, their MVP sa katauhan ni Edsel Largo. Number 2 and kanilang mga bigs na si Rick Vicente, who is still in the injured list. At ang kanilang team manager na si Gerald Vallejo. Villa wanted the post up, pero help defense ni Joto. Joto talagang hinihingi, kaso ano ba yun? Hiningit, di tinira. Miscommunication for them. Sayang yung possession na yun. This will be the start of our fourth quarter. Sinong kailangan umalagwa? Start of the fourth quarter. Ang uno ng The Valley ngayon. Naka 1-2-2 ang depensa ng GV Elite. Masyadong maluwag. GV Elite needs to communicate their defense. Binigay kay Ronnie. JV. Kiel left 3. Rebound ni Villa. Villa bully ball. Ganun pa binigay kay Da sa labas. 10 seconds. Da drives middle. No. Wow! Lucky break for GV Elite. Jotu. Minili KD. Efren. Loose ball foul.
Hoy, loose ball muna!
Loose ball foul called on GV Elite. Efren. Drives middle. Wow, what a questionable foul called. Shooting foul daw. Pero to be fair, I think it's a late close out for GV Elite. Gayosa saw the open lane sa gitna. Gayosa misses his first free throw. Makes his second. Da. Naghahanap ng directing the traffic for his GV Elite team. Da drives middle. Binigay kay Kiel. Kiel 3. Tapi ka ng bola. What an offensive rebound by Darren over Jotu Simon. What a box out. Darren will earn his stripes. First free throw, no good. Too strong. More of the back iron. Da on his second. Walang lande. Misses them. Joto binigay kay JJ. Stop and pop. Put back ni Efren. Mahigpitan ng laban. To be fair, GV Elite bigs are holding their own. Kahit they're missing the services of their legit bigs. (47-45). 8 minutes left in the ball game. Villa. Gano'n ang papasahan. 10 seconds to operate. Rebound ni Doc. Doc with the putback. Flex! Yes, sir! Doc Ronnie is playing big this game. stepping up on the plate. Efren overcooks it. Tapi ka ng bola. Nakuha pa rin ni Efren. 49-47 in favor of the Valley. What a pass! What a pass by Darren Cuervo to Lee Villa. Ties the ball game. 7 minutes left. Jotu finally makes the three. 52-49. JV. Binalik kay Da. Masyadong maluwag sa weak side. Da pulls up. No good. Open lane for Efren Gayosa. Easy 2. What a miscommunication. Timeout called by the Valley. (54-49). 6 minutes left. Marami pang basketball yan. Mayang tumayo.
Old age.
Old age. Ha? Hindi, dito muna ako. Nakakapagod na yung view dun eh. Hindi ko nakikita yung score eh. GV Elite ball. Marami pang basketball to. Pinasok si Rab. Prince got blocked by JJ. The Valley wants to slow things down. 1-2 defense by GV Elite. Nalibre si Joto sa ibabaw. Pumukol ng tres. No good. Rebound ng GV Elite. Nakuha ni Rab. Rab, anong gagawin sa bola? Rab, open lane. Binigay kay Da. What a pass! Unselfish play. Wala pa rin. Nakuha ng The Valley. Layup. The GV Elite team wants the traveling called, pero no call. 7-point lead, 56-49. Da with the 3 rebound ni JJ. 5-15. Jotu. Fade away. 58-49, 9-point lead. Masyado pang maraming basketball, guys. Body language, Villa. They want the 3. Tapikan ng bola. Same ball, same ball, same ball. 14 seconds left on the shot clock. JV dumidiskarte, wants a screen. JV drives, binigay kay Rab. Di nakuha ng maayos ang bola. Uy! What an error. Counter attack ng GV Elite. JV. Yes sir. 52-58. 6-point lead. 4 minutes 18 seconds. Masyado pa maraming basketball. Di, may tangan ng bola. Nag-screen si JJ. Dumrive. Easy 2. 60-52. 3 minutes 40 seconds. Lee Villa drives middle. Ang hingi ng foul. Walang tawag. 60-54. 6-point lead. Walang timeout ang both teams. JJ cross court to Efren. Efren. Uy! Nakuha ni Rab ang steal. Nakuha ni JV. Ooh. Timeout for the Valley. Three minutes 14 seconds left. Pagod na rin tong The Valley. Pero feeling ko mas pagod din ang GV Elite. Gagalit. Ano masasabi mo?
Fourth quarter matagal. Papaalam pa.
Oo, nasa basket. Back to the ball game. Parker drives middle. 2 points. Foul on Gayosa. Two free throws. A chance for GV Elite to cut down the lead to 4 points. First free throw for Darren Cuerpo. Alam niyang mintes. On his second. Five-point lead. Parker. May tangan ng bola. Burning the clock. 60-55. Parker nagano papasahan kay Jotu. Jotu. Hail Mary 3. Offensive rebound ni JJ. 10 seconds left on the shot clock. Cross court. Efren. Bailout 3. Rebound ng GV Elite. Binigay kay Rab. Outlet pass to Darren. Dumidiskarte. Binigay kay Lee. Caranto. Pull up. Yes sir. 1 possession ball game. 2 minutes left. Saan? Sa sarili o sa kalaban? Last 2 minutes. JJ. Kumagat labi. Na-rebound pa rin. But that's a backcourt violation. $60-57. 1 minute 50. Villa. Binigay kay Prince. Jotu. Jotu wants to burn the clock. Gayosa. Naghanap ng babasahan. 5 seconds left. Drives middle. Naghanap ng puwasa. What a pass! Para kay JJ sa ilalim. That's familiarity. 5-point lead. 1 minute 15. GV Elite cannot afford magbagal. Stop and pop. Parker wants to push it. $55 seconds left. Maalat talaga. 40 seconds. 62-57. GV Elite still has one foul to give. I think that's their last warning for penalty. 16 seconds on the shot clock. 38 seconds. Two free throws for Parker. Misses his first. Both teams are already gassed. Makes a second, but timeout for GV Elite. 57-63. 7:53. Thirty-five seconds. Side inbound. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Will GV Elite pull a miracle? I think that's the ball game. I think that's the ball game. Oh, stolen by GV Elite. JV overcooks it. Rebound pa rin. And one. 18 seconds. 63-59. All heart para sa GV Elite. Three seconds left. Foul. Ano ba yun? Parang bowler.
Ay, love baby. Ah, boo, 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 boo.
Dahil ng ngipin.
Ah, boo, boo, ting, ting, ting.
Uwi na lang kaya tayo. Hindi, ano ba? Ano ba gagawin dun? Ano, maaga pa kami po. Kain. 10 seconds left. Kiel chucks down the three. 64-60. 6 seconds left. 6 seconds left. 5 seconds left. 5 seconds left. Ang ganito. Man!
Bibigay pa lang kasi yung maglalabas, pwede pa.
Hindi.
Pa lang.
Parang tinapik eh. (64-63). 5 seconds left. Gayosa, 2 free throws. First free throw ni Gayosa. Makes it.
Yes, sir!
This is it. 2 seconds left. I think that was a late call. Late substitution call for GV Elite.
Bente, shoot!
2 free throws for Jotu.
Bente, shoot yan!
Misses his first. Second free throw. Intes. Tinira pa din. 67-63 is our final score. Ayaw ng free throw, gusto jump shot. Ayaw ng free throw, gusto jump shot. That's the ball game. Goods na.
Yun na po ah.